right, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We had a wish whole week together, and this is the final ending of it. And yeah, I'm happy to present Waetford, Living Not Dreaming, based upon the acoustic version. And it's you, Benny Muela. You wished for this one, so yeah, this is especially for you, Benny, and all you Jai fans out there. All right, great song. So thank you, Benny, for being here. Now let's go into this song. And you asked for this acoustic version and also mentioned you want it to be as beginner friendly as possible. So I'm going to give you a variation of that and what I then suggest to play. But anyway, let's start with the chords. We're going to go with the capo on first, because that is how the song match up with the sound. So I'll put that capo on first, and let's start with the chords. We're gonna go with A sus first. So that is open A, second D, second G, open B, and open E. Then we have the C sharp minor, and I suggest you go with the open version of it, which means normally you have a bar on the fourth fret like this. We push down 5 strings if you count from bottom up. You can go with that version as well, and then add on the 6D, 6G, and 5th B. But I suggest for this version that you just simply hold, not bar, with your index finger, just the 4th fret A string. What that gives you is the open E in the bottom there, and gives you this airy feeling to it. All right, let's move on with the E. Now this is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. And then we have the B sus, and again, same case there. I suggest you go with the open version. Normally you have a bar on the 2nd fret and you push down the same 5 strings as in the C sharp minor. And then you add 4th on D and 4th on G. Now, I suggest you go with the open version. You just lift off that bar and have your index on the single note 2nd fret A string. Everything else is the same, so that's the B sus I recommend. Okay, and then to handle the bridge part later on, you also need to incorporate the F sharp minor. Okay? So that's a bar chord. We'll place the index finger on the 2nd fret again, and then push down all strings there, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. And there you have everything to handle this song. All right, so let's start from the beginning, and we have this main pattern that makes up for like 90% of this song or so. So anyway, let's take a look at that. You can handle that in 2 different ways. We have the chord A sus, C sharp minor, E, and B sus. And you can play it with just 2 downs or a string pattern, which I recommend you to do. You can start with the 2 downs, you get feeling for it, and then I recommend you to work on the string. That really makes a huge difference there, in my opinion. So even if you want it to be beginner friendly, then yeah, a short amount of effort will give you that much when you learn this strumming. So anyway, A sus, 2 downs, C sharp, E, and B sus. Okay, so it's important you have this rhythm going on there, so the timing is down, 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 like this. So right? So that is the main pattern you're gonna play a lot of times here in this song. And now I want to show you how to play the strumming. So it goes like this. Okay, so the 2 downs, you will find them into the strumming, but of course, obviously you work a lot more than just 2 downs here. So what you're gonna do is to play down, down, up, down, up, up, down, down, up. All right. sounds much harder than it actually is, because you will feel the rhythm when you work with it. So you're gonna play down, down, up, and from there on it's always answering. It's up, down, then down, up, down, down, up. So if you think, imagine you play the first down, down, up. From there on, it will always answer with what you ended. So you ended with up, then you're gonna start with up, down, and then you're gonna start with down, up, and then up, down, down, up. Okay, so it's always reversed. So you're gonna play down, down, up, and then up, down, down, up, down, down, up. That's the starting point, down, down, up, and then up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, so that is one string round. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. So, like this for a couple rounds. Now we're gonna switch, play one of these per chord. So sounds beautiful, that strumming with these open chords. So I highly recommend you to go for these open chords, and this is the main pattern in this song. Now at the end of every chorus, you're going to play this in verse and choruses. At the end of every chorus, at 1 minute and 14 seconds in, but also at 2:12, you're going to play A sus 2 string rounds, and then you're going to go for E1 and B sus 1. All right, so right, so that is how you're gonna end every chorus. Then we have a bridge part. It comes after the second chorus at 2 minutes and 31 seconds in. You're gonna play A sus 2, and then F sharp minor 2, and then C sharp minor 2, and then B sus 1 plus 1 down. That down gives us a pause, and that pause takes us into the main pattern of A sus, C sharp, E, and B sus. And with that, my friends, we're gonna end this beautiful Wish Week. And thank you, Benuela, for being here on this channel, and all the other guys who wish for songs on chord guitar. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.